But yeah, we're very fortunate here at the Sandler O'Neill Global Exchanges Conference to be speaking with Bill Brodsky. He's the CEO of CBOE Holdings. And Bill, thanks so much for joining us. We want to talk a little bit about exchanges and what they've kind of had to deal with over the last couple of years here. Specifically, we know that stock volumes have been falling off for equity volumes. Have you seen that same kind of drop-off on the options side of the business? We know that you're a big clearing center for these.
Sure. Well, there's certainly been a slowdown in volume, but happily for us in our business, we haven't seen the dramatic decline in volume that we've seen on the stock side or even on the future side. The option business has been more robust over the last couple of years than the other two.
Now, do you feel as though investors are gravitating more towards the options business now? Are they viewing it more as a traditional asset class more so than they have in the past few years?
I think the option customer understands the versatility of the option product, and as a result knows how to use options even in a lackluster stock market. And so we spent a lot of time educating customers, and in many respects the option customer is the most desired customer of the big brokerage firms.
Now, we talk about a big theme here today, this week, has been the idea of the Facebook IPO. We know now that Facebook is obviously a stock, but a lot of attention has been paid, if you'll kind of use that as a guide here, to what the Facebook options market has been like. What do you see in terms of the volumes for Facebook options going through your exchange?
Oh, it was explosive when it first started last week, and it continues to be active because it's a reflection of people who want to either protect their Facebook stock that they bought or prefer to use the option in lieu of trading in the stock. So the option, again, has a lot of versatility.
Do you see that that's going to be a market that continues to keep growing over the next few months, or is this just because of the IPO that it's getting so much attention right now?
It will be a reflection of what goes on in the underlying stock. The option is what I call an adjunct to the equity investor. And if the stock is active, the option will be active.
Now, overall for your business, you're also a very large exchange here. Exchange consolidation has been a big theme over the last 2 years. Where do you see the exchange business going, and what about CBOE Holdings? Are you looking to stay standalone, or are you possibly looking to link up with somebody else?
Well, I have two views of this. One, organically, we are growing very well, and in fact, we're doing very well because we create new products. We created the S&P 500 index option years ago in a partnership with McGraw-Hill and Standard & Poor's, and the most exciting product we've had maybe in our whole history is volatility, the VIX. The VIX options and the VIX futures. So these are growing faster than anything else in any of the industries we're talking about. So we're very content to just grow organically. On the other hand, there is value to consolidation because there are synergies. And so we will be opportunistic. We will do what's best for our stockholders.
So opportunistic and best for your stockholders. Bill, thank you so much for joining us. Scarlett, that was Bill Brodsky, who's the CEO of CBOE Holdings.